Why do some videos get millions of views? Like what you see here, this video has got over 11 million views with not a great SEO score. So it has got a SEO score of just around 70%. On the other hand, why videos which have got a high SEO score, right, end up getting only few views, right? If you have this question, then this is the video which is going to give you the answer. Now let's understand few things. Now for the video to come in the search, now SEO is something that is really important. Now what is SEO? You having a good video title, okay, writing a good video description, having keywords, that's the tags, and having a thumbnail which is going to stand out. Now these are something that are really important so that your video is going to come in the search. Now whether it is going to come in the search or not, how it is going to be decided? Now it is going to be decided on how exactly the audience are engaged on your video. Now how to understand that? Now say for example I just search for motorboat, a very simple word, somebody who wants to see about a motorboat. Now if I just enter this, so you could see this video from my channel A2C Arts and Crafts is at the top. It is coming in the first search result. Next there are other videos also that are coming. Correct? You see other videos also here. Now why this particular video is coming on the top? It could be for a couple of reasons. First most important thing is thumbnail, right? Now if you see, when somebody typed as motorboat, my video thumbnail also says as motorboat, right? Which could be one of the reason why people would have clicked more on this particular video. Now second is, when they clicked on this video, they were more engaged as well. That means whatever they were actually looking, they were able to find from this, or they were able to get what they were actually looking for, because of which they were more engaged on the video. Because they were more engaged, now what happens is, for this particular keyword, YouTube will try to rank higher and higher. Maybe when it initially started showing this video, probably it might be at the 10th place or 20th place. But as and when more and more people preferred this video for this particular keyword, motorboat, my video started coming more and more in the top search. Now if I say, for example, I searched a different keyword, how to make a, say for example, DC motor boat. Okay, even with that, this video is still ranking higher. Now let's say for example, how to make a boat. Right? Now you see, for this particular keyword, there is other video that is ranking. That means when somebody typed this particular keyword, people were more connected to this video. That means this is something that they were more looking, or this is the video that they were more engaged. Now how do we know from our channel whether they were engaged or not? Correct? So let's understand, for your video to come at the top, in the top ranking, what really matters is your thumbnail and how exactly the audience are engaged. If the audience are more engaged on your video, then you have a higher chance of seeing your video in the top search as well. So let me give a small example. Now let's understand with the help of this video, which has got over 11 million views, right? Now it has an impression click-through rate of 5.8%. Now you need to understand this. What exactly is impression click-through rate? An impression click-through rate is, out of every 100 times your video was shown, right? Whatever you are seeing right now here, okay? Now say for example, you are just scrolling, every video, whatever you are seeing right now, it is called as one impression, right? Now out of that, if you suddenly come and click on this video, it is going to be considered as one click, okay? So out of every 100 times it was shown, the average click-through rate is 5.8%. That means out of 100 people who saw, 6 people have clicked on it, which is a decent click-through rate. Now if your click-through rate is below 3%, then that is not really good as well, okay? Now that's the click-through rate. What about the engagement? Are people really connected to this video? Now let's just click on engagement section, and if we come down, right, so it says this video actually has a good engagement as well, right? So if you see the percentage of engagement, it's around 46%. That means out of 100% video, people on an average, people have watched around 46%. That means close to 50%, which is still good for a video. Now, if you're seeing your audience retention of around 20% or 30%, then that is something that is not really good. And one other thing to understand is, if you see a major drop in the beginning where it just comes like this down, then it is not really good. Why? Because your first 15 seconds is something that is really important for you to hold the audience attention. Now, if somebody is there on your video for the first 15 seconds, they are certainly likely to watch your major part of the video. So make sure in the beginning you have something really interesting so that you retain the audience. Now, how exactly to do that? One most important thing that you need to do is, before creating any video on any topic, you quickly search on YouTube that particular topic and watch at least 3 videos which have got the highest views on YouTube on the same topic. See how they have created it. Can you make it better? Is there a better way of presentation? Can you make it more simple? Think in that line and create a video. Also observe how exactly they are starting. Can you make it slightly better? Right? So that's the first thing that you need to consider. And the second most important thing is, see how they have created the thumbnail. Just think, can you create a thumbnail which is going to be slightly better than them? Now, when you feel that, okay, whatever thumbnail that you have created, it's better than the top 3-4 thumbnails that are there, then certainly when you have a good content that you are presenting in a best way and having a great thumbnail, even you are going to get great number of views and even your video is going to go viral. I believe this video has helped you. So that's how YouTube videos are ranked. Now, if you're a beginner in YouTube and if you have posted around 10 to 20 videos and if you're not getting the views, don't come to a conclusion that it's not going to work. Post at least around 40 to 50 videos in your channel. That's when you start seeing the result. Right? And one other thing that you need to remember is, always make sure you are going to build your channel in one specific niche. You might be a person who is really good at multiple topics, but the best way to grow your YouTube channel right now is focusing on one niche. So that's it in this video. If you have any questions related to YouTube, just comment below. And if you want to make sure you are going to have the right SEO score for your video, then make sure you're going to click on this info link to watch video on how TubeBuddy can help you to get good SEO score. So the complete details has been there. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, take good care. If you have not already subscribed to the channel, then please do hit that subscribe button. Click on that bell notification and select all notifications so that you don't miss any informative videos from this channel.